To add a form dataset to Wix, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing the Wix editor. A dataset in Wix is a collection of data that is used to store and manage information submitted through forms on your website. First, create a new dataset by going to the Wix editor and clicking on the Add icon. Then selecting More and choosing Dataset. Name your dataset and click Create. Next, create a new form by clicking on the Add icon and selecting Contact and Forms. Then choosing the type of form you want to create. Customize your form by adding fields and settings as needed. To connect your form to the dataset, click on the form settings and select the Connect to Dataset option. Choose the dataset you created earlier and map the form fields to the corresponding dataset fields. Once you have connected your form to the dataset, any information submitted through the form will be stored in the dataset. You can view and manage the data in your dataset by going to the Wix editor and clicking on the Datasets icon. To display the data from your dataset on your website, you can use Wix built-in data display tools such as tables or galleries. Simply drag and drop the tool onto your page and connect it to your dataset. Best practices for creating and connecting datasets to Wix websites include keeping your datasets organized and up to date, using clear and descriptive names for your datasets and fields, and testing your forms and datasets to ensure they are working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily create and connect datasets to your Wix website and start managing and displaying data submitted through forms. This will help you to better understand your website visitors and improve their overall experience.